Hi BU Nation, what's going on? It's been a while since I made my last walking vlog, so I wanted to do that today. I mean, almost tonight, right? We are in Jardins and we're going to walk towards Paraiso neighborhood. We have some light rain today, and I've never recorded during the rain, so I've never recorded in the rain, and I wanted to show a part of Jardins at night. Okay, people are leaving their work. Look how interesting that bar is. So you guys are going to see my umbrella, I mean Tali's umbrella. There's mine broke. I hope I don't cover the image, and I hope you guys enjoy. So stretch your legs, go to the treadmill, and let's walk. Just make sure, if you guys are here for the first time, subscribe to the channel. This goes a long way in content production. You guys know that, right? Your subscription is the most important moment for a YouTuber, because that means you guys enjoyed it. Okay, just came from Hospital das Clínicas with my mother. She had an appointment, and whenever I'm here I wanna record and do something. I realized I have never shown you this part at night, so with the lights everything is better, right? Check that place across the street, guys. The name is Jardins. They have happy hour with live music. Check how beautiful. Bar and restaurant, right? You see? We already have a walking vlog on the channel here in Jardins, but my intent here is just to show you one specific street, actually Alameda, which would be something like Boulevard, so Alameda Santos. This is Alameda Santos, guys. Do you know this area here? Have you ever been here? Leave your comment. I read everything you guys write, okay? Post office. Something happened here. Look how low the cables are. Something definitely happened here. Two administrations ago, I heard a story that the city hall was planning to bury the cables, the electrical cables, you know? They would be underground, like what happens on Oscar Freire Street. You guys like my heart umbrella? I mean Tali's umbrella, right? Another Another nice place here, Rascal. This is Conjunto Nacional is the name of this building. It's an icon in the city. It's like a gallery, it has a lot of stores inside. On the next corner, pay attention guys, you will see a really fancy restaurant. They have tables outside when it's not raining, obviously. And at night it's just like those dim yellow lights. Amazing, very cozy. Another restaurant here. I'm walking towards my house. I also live in the south, but that direction I need to cross the neighborhood of Paraiso and a few others to get there. The name of the restaurant I was telling you is Gula Gula. G-U-L-A, G-U-L-A. That one. Really nice. Imagine a hot day and people eating outside. Wow, look at this. Jesus Christ, I need to jump. I'm an athlete now. This is what I was talking about, guys. Look how cool it is. Gula Gula.
Chama Paycrack, mas tem uma
Look. Really charming inside. The rain is getting stronger, but fortunately this umbrella is big. That's why I chose it. The ones that I have in the house is just like they're black umbrellas, but they're small, so you kind of have to walk with your arms close to your body, so that sucks. I will get one night to walk around the Paulista Avenue, all these areas, because you guys are gonna enjoy. We're gonna get a part of the night here as well, because until I get to where I have to go, it's probably gonna go dark. Guys, look at that. Boteco Boa Praça. Look how nice it is. Parque Mário Covas. More bars. So Paulistas love this, to finish work and go to bars like that. And guys, look at this. This is new. The scooters are back to the city. Before the pandemic, we had many companies providing this service, but suddenly everybody stopped, and now these people are back. Whoosh is the name of the company. I'm gonna make a video testing one of them. You guys want to see it? Leave a comment, please. How nice the bar is. Today's Thursday. Of course the rain drives away the people from the happy hour, but you still see some people having fun. You guys like the walking vlogs that I make here on the channel? Let me know through your comments, please. really important that you interact with this video somehow so that more and more people can receive it. And it's free of charge. Remember, guys, you're not charged for doing this. Just being friendly with me, right? Here is the Trianon Park, Parque Trianon. We have walked to this street before, but not in the evening and not with rain. How beautiful this scenario is. I follow some other people who produce walking vlogs, and I have seen some people walking in the rain with an umbrella, of course, and I always wonder what it would be like to do the same here in Brazil. So okay, I'm making it come true right now. And my feeling, pretty much the same. I think it gets even more elegant, I guess. But you have to know that depending on the volume of rain, rain equals kryptonite for this street, for this city. I mean, the traffic gets heavier. There are more accidents, of course. You have to jump some water ponds like this. And you have to jump some water puddles like this. Let's go. Oh, more scooters across the street. This is a comedy bar, a stand-up comedy bar. And the scooters right there. I think I'll take a part of Paulista Avenue for you guys to see in the rain, and also getting darker so you see more lights. Because I think there's a point of this street that things don't get so interesting. So let's take the next one on the left. behind the Fiesp building. This one that looks like a pyramid. Go up to Paulista.
Esse que é dinheiro, tá vendo a chuva?
So guys, Paulista Avenue. If it weren't raining, I would take the scooter for you guys to see. Look at how interesting that garden is across the avenue. Gonna go there to show you. Hold on. On the avenue for you guys. This is Cidade de São Paulo shopping mall. Really big one. I like coming here because they have nice restaurants inside, like out back. They have Cinemark, a movie theater. It's really nice. We're gonna go that direction, right there. go. Look how cool it is. Look at what it says there. It reads Sunday on Paulista Avenue, and the Japanese influence. Check this out. This is a very nice place, guys. I'll show you the other side. So we are not just walking on Paulista. And the floor, look guys, it's metal. It's like an extension of the shopping mall, you see? There are some tables right there. Let's go take the other street. Orchids.
Vocês vão esperar o resto da vida até achar uma pessoa.
Explicando assim, ó.
So first I was on Alameda, Santos, then I got to Paulista, and now here. I don't remember the name of this street here, but I'm going to show you in a few minutes. You have some older buildings in this area, but they are also really expensive, you know. This one was a very famous hotel, but it's not even a hotel anymore. It's been deactivated. It's called Maksudi Plaza. I think the guys have gone bankrupt. I wonder why. São Carlos. That's the name of this street here. Rua São Carlos do Pinhal. Yeah. An older neighborhood on the other side of Paulista, but also classy. Check that place out. I have no idea what that is. That's a funeral home, guys. Funeral home. Hotel here, Transamerica Hotel, and maternity right there, Matri Paulista. And then you have the access to, which I believe is another hospital right here on this side. I hope my umbrella is not blocking your view, but I think it's not. Oh guys, a guava tree here in the middle of São Paulo. Can you imagine this? Shanghai restaurant, Chinese food. Another hotel here, Mercury. A nice area too. Forgot the name of this area. I'm gonna put it there on the screen so you guys can read. I'm gonna put it right here. Steakhouse right there. This is Brigadeiro Luiz Antônio Avenue. This avenue is really popular in São Paulo. Brigadeiro Luiz Antônio. still raining. I thought it had stopped.
Aí eu cheguei na fábrica e falei assim, ó,
Minas Gerais food right there. Embaixada Mineira. Competition, what is this? It looks like a place for you to work out. Oh, nice, look. Yes, it's a gym, guys. This size. Wow. Look the size of this gym. Incredible. We're walking towards shopping Pátio Paulista shopping mall. Wind is strong here. Paulistas love that, bakeries. Like this one here. I've never been to this street with you guys before. So even though it's the Paulista region, there's still a lot to explore, a lot to show. how cool that building is. You guys enjoying? Make sure you subscribe in case you haven't. Make sure you smash the like button. Don't go away without doing this, please. And if you can, leave your comment. All these things are really important for you guys to help us grow. We depend upon you guys, remember that. Yeah, shopping Pátio Paulista right there. Another cool place I like to come with my family. Oh, they're tearing down that building, guys. I mean, there's no building to tear down anymore. They've already done it. Another construction in the area, the region. I took an Uber with a guy the other day. He was complaining about this. Everywhere you go, so many towers, so many new constructions. He was saying that there will be a day São Paulo will stop, you know, because we don't have space for all these people coming to the city. You know, I agree and I disagree, because at the same time, the city hall, the government of São Paulo, actually, the state government, is investing a lot in transportation, especially subway. The subway system is growing. And there's always Uber and taxis for you to pick up. So people just need to be conscientious and leave their cars home, of course. Pátio Paulista shopping mall. That project called Heaven from La Vie is a block down. If you take this street and you go down here, you're gonna get there. It's on the street behind the shopping mall. Gonna go now and walk towards Paraiso neighborhood, also the south of São Paulo. The sequence is Paraiso, Ana Rosa, Vila Mariana, Santa Cruz, and then Praça da Árvore, Saúde, São Judas, the subway lines. The rain stop. Some people drive just looking at one side, you know? Don't be one of those people. It's dangerous. People keep advancing with the car but looking at one side only. So we just left Paulista behind and we're walking towards Paraiso. Also a good neighborhood with many bars, restaurants. They have a jazz bar that is outstanding. Walking in São Paulo, don't forget the bicycle lane, you guys. Whenever you're crossing, don't forget the bicycle lanes. Don't want to be struck by a bicycle. And here in São Paulo, the bicycle lanes are red on the floor, okay? They're painted in red. When I was in Europe, I remember the bicycle lanes were very discreet, you know. And as I was not from the place, I didn't know. I didn't even pay attention. I almost got struck like 2 times when I was there. You can see people using the scooters already. Electric scooters. That's really cool. I really hope this time they have come here to stay. McDonald's is still a big franchise in Brazil. Really successful. Sons of guns who drive fast when there's water on the street. Come on, people. Almost gave me a bath. Oh, more. This one is from a different company. It's called Jet. I had heard the return was experimental, but I thought it was just one company. I can see there are two operating now. Maybe there are more. This avenue is called 23 de Maio. It goes under this avenue here close to Paulista. And it goes to Ibirapuera and Congonhas Airport. This region is Paraiso, guys. The subway station here. Guys, the battery is running out, so I'm going to leave you here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Smash this like button, please. Smash this like button, not dislike button. And I'll see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.